Dear friends, welcome to free grammar lesson. Now we have to discuss about clauses and phrases. What is the difference between clauses and phrases and their types? Let us start. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words. What is clause? Clause is also a group of words. उभय phrase एवं clause किसी शब्दर समाहार अटंती. Phrase has no subject verb combination. Phrase रे subject verb combination न थाए. But in clauses there have subject verb combination. Phrase एवं clause उभय शब्दर समाहार अटंती किंतु phrase रे subject verb combination न थाए. But in clauses subject verb combination थाए. For example, my best friend. My best friend is a noun phrase. It has no subject verb combination. But John is my best friend. There is subject verb combination. John is the subject and is the main verb here. So, phrase रे subject verb combination नथिला बेले clause रे subject verb combination थाए. It does not make complete sense by itself. Phrase निजकु निजे complete sense बा संपूर्ण अर्थ देई पारे नाही. But clause can make complete sense. गोटे clause संपूर्ण अर्थ प्रकाश करी पारे. For example, the sports car, it is a phrase. But this is my sports car, it is a clause. To watch movie, it is a phrase. But I like to watch movie, it is a clause. On the table, it is a phrase. But the book is on the table, it is a clause. So, we know that phrases are group of words having no subject verb combination and it is used as a single unit in a sentence. तेणु फ्रेज होछि किछि शब्दर समाहार जेउथिरे कि सब्जेक्ट वर्ब कॉम्बिनेशन न थाए किंतु एहा वाक्य रे किछि अधिका इनफॉरमेशन देबा पई गोटे यूनिट भाव रे व्यवहार करा जाय. उदाहरण गुडिका आउथरे बुझै नेउछि. द स्पोर्ट्स कार. Here there is no subject plus verb combination because the sports is an adjective and car is a noun. So it is a noun plus adjective combination. It is a phrase. But this is my sports car. It gives complete sense. It has subject verb combination. There this is the subject and is the main verb here. To watch movie, it is a verb phrase. But I like to watch movie. I is the subject and like is the verb here. On the table, it is a prepositional phrase. But the book is on the table. The book is the subject and is the verb here. Next, types of phrases. Phrase ra prakar bheda. We have classified phrases into 5 types such as noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase and prepositional phrase. What is noun phrase? Which acts as a noun in a sentence and also associates with other words to modify itself. जहा कि वाक्य रे नाउन भाव रे व्यवहृत होई थाए एवं यह अन्य किसी शब्द को साथी रे नहीं व्यवहार होई पारे. Why? To modify itself. यह को modify करिबा पाई. ताहा को हमें नाउन फ्रेज बोली कहि थाउ. For example, a man at window shouted for help. झरका पाखरे ठिया हेतिबा लोकोटी साहाय्य पई चित्कार कला. He gave me a pure white shirt. से मते गोटे संपूर्ण धला शर्ट देले. A man at window is a noun phrase here, and a pure white shirt is a noun phrase here. Shirt is the noun and a pure white they are the other words to modify the shirt. Then verb phrase. What is the verb phrase? Which acts as a verb in a sentence and also associates with other words to modify itself. Mainly it is the combination of helping verb and main verbs. ଯେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦ ବା ଯେଉଁ ଫ୍ରେଜ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବାକ୍ୟରେ କ୍ରିୟା ଭାବରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସାହାଯ୍ୟକାରୀ କ୍ରିୟା ଏବଂ ମୁଖ୍ୟ କ୍ରିୟା ଭାବରେ କମ୍ବାଇନ୍ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି. ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ହି ହାଜ୍ ଫିନିଶ୍ଡ ହିଜ୍ ହୋମୱାର୍କ. ହି ହାଜ୍ ଫିନିଶ୍ଡ. ହାଜ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ helping verb and finished is the main verb here. Then has finished is the verb phrase in this sentence. Then second, I like to see a beautiful rose. Like to see. Like is the main verb and to see is the infinitive non-finitive verb here. Then like to see is the verb phrase in the sentence. See, you should study for your exam. Should study. Should is the main verb. Should is the modal auxiliaries and study is the main verb here. Then should study is the verb phrase in this sentence. Then adjective phrase. What is the adjective phrase? When one or more words work together to give more details about the adjective, it is known as adjective phrase. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟିଏ କିମ୍ବା ଅନେକ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୋଟିଏ କିମ୍ବା ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଶବ୍ଦ ଏକାଠି ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି? ଟୁ ଗିଭ୍ ମୋର୍ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଏବାଉଟ୍ ଦ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍. ବିଶେଷଣର ଅଧିକ ଅର୍ଥ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ବିଶେଷଣ ବିଷୟରେ ଅଧିକ ତଥ୍ୟ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି, ତାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଫ୍ରେଜ୍ ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ. ତେବେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ଦ କଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ କାର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୁ ହାଇ. Too high is the adjective phrase because high is an adjective and too high is an adjective phrase. Then second example, I am very happy with his work. I am happy. Happy is the adjective but very happy is an adjective phrase. So adjective phrase ହେଉଛି ବାକ୍ୟରେ adjective କୁ ବିଶେଷ ଭାବରେ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରୁଥିବା କିଛି ଶବ୍ଦର ସମାହାର. Then adverb phrase. What is the adverb phrase? When one or more words used to give more information about an adverb, that is called adverb phrase. When one or more words used to give more information about an adverb, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏକ ବା ଏକାଧିକ ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇ adverb କୁ ଅଧିକ ବିଶେଷିତ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ adverb phrase ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ. ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, he ran very fast. Here fast is an adverb because it modifies the verb. It is an adverb but he ran very fast. Very fast is an adverb phrase. We drank the lassi much quicker. We drank the lassi much quicker. Quicker is the adverb but much quicker is an adverb phrase because much is modifying the word quicker. Then prepositional phrase. What is prepositional phrase? When one or more words work together to give more information about a preposition, it is called as prepositional phrase and it informs about time, place, possession and conditions. ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ଶବ୍ଦ ବା ଏକାଧିକ ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇ ଏକ ପ୍ରିପୋଜିସନ୍ ବା ଅବ୍ୟୟକୁ ପ୍ରକାଶିତ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାହା ସମୟ ବା ସ୍ଥାନ ବା ଅବସ୍ଥିତି ଏବଂ ସର୍ତ୍ତ विषय सूचना दे थाए ताहाको आमे प्रिपोजिशनल फ्रेज बोली कहि थाउ। एग्जाम्पल, he is sleeping on a bed. On a bed is the prepositional phrase here because on is the preposition and on a bed is a prepositional phrase. Second example, they are walking through a jungle. Through a jungle is a prepositional phrase. Through is the preposition and through a jungle the total phrase is a prepositional phrase. C. Sita goes to school by her bicycle. Sita निज bicycle द्वारा स्कूल जाउछि. By her bicycle. By is the preposition and by her bicycle is the prepositional phrase. Then we study regularly on YouTube. आमे सब बेले YouTube रु पाठ पढुछु. On YouTube. On is the preposition and YouTube. On YouTube is the prepositional phrase. This is all about phrases, and in next period we will discuss about the clauses and its types. Thank you.